Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I have a new product. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. Basically is a flashlight, but it's real bright. As you can see, it comes like this. It comes a pack of 2 with charger and batteries. So it's Gearlight. As you can see, it zooms, and the battery, it's a big battery as you can see. Put it in, close it up. But it's amazing how it works. In the end of the video, I will put a preview of the light in the dark, and you will see the difference. As you can see, that is on. That is zoomed up. As you can see, it has a very good light. If you tap it lightly, it gets a little less light. Do it again, less. Now you can get like a strobe, and you have the SOS emergency light. So these you can use zoom or doesn't matter, but that's the brightness. Awesome light. Awesome. It is very nice. If you're looking for a light, this is the one to go, and it's very cheap, and you get 2. Well, like I said, in my description there will be a link and where to buy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Okay YouTube, see how dark it is? Look at that. You can adjust it wherever way you want it. But that's it. Very nice. Also, you can adjust the length. See? Pretty cool.